Hey guys and gals, it's Jim here with an update on the 32nd scale TIE fighter from round two of the Studio series and all that. And this is a pretty big, pretty big ship when it's going to be done. So impressive and all that. So since the last update, basically what I did, I got all the little detail pieces that I could assemble onto the two main hull halves and all that. There's still some pieces that go on, but you can't put those on until after you close it up permanently. They cover up all these little gaps over here and stuff. So that's going to do it for now on that part. And I got the wings or the solar panels, whatever you want to call them. I got those assembled. Follow the directions. These center pieces go on a certain way, top, bottom, and all that. So make sure that you got both sides pretty much the same. There's a little detail right up here, and that's so both of those should go to the top. Basically, it's up to you how you want to assemble these. I started just fit them together on a flat surface. I got a real nice flat hunk of a slab that I can put them on and keep everything perfectly flat and everything. But I found out a lot of these parts have pins that go through. So basically, what I did, I assembled these panels, the 6 pieces, to the center hub. I flipped it over, let all that dry, and then I flipped over, put the other piece on, and all that. So, but basically, they came out nice and straight. You know, no kinks or nothing like that. So, pretty happy with that. I see some guys, a couple guys that built these so far, they painted everything, and then they used super glue to put these pieces on after they were painted. I'm going to do it just like I did my Bandai 72nd scale ones. I'm going to paint everything black, mask off the black, to flat black, and then do my gray and everything like that. And I can do light mist coats to let the black kind of come through a little bit, to give it some extra detail and stuff like that. Because I'm not going to go heavy with the weathering on this. I kind of want them to not going to be pristine clean, but I kind of want to not go overboard with the weathering like on some models and stuff. So for those that are curious, the box is 13.5 inches tall. A lot of times when they give you a measurement on something, it's with the base included. These solar panels are actually from top to bottom. They're 13.5, and they're 11 and 1/8 of an inch wide. So they're pretty big, as you can see by my hand and everything. And it's quite a bit smaller than the studio scale, which is 1/24th. But this is an impressive kit. It's too bad that the Darth Vader TIE Advanced isn't 32nd scale. That's probably somewhere around I'd say 1/40th scale, somewhere between this and the 1/48 that they repopped the TIE Fighter and stuff like that. So it's a shame that the Darth Vader one isn't the same scale as this, because it would have been nice to have them, next to each other and all that, being in the same scale. But oh well, that's round two for you. And even when I talked to Jamie Hood last week to question about that Darth Vader TIE Advanced model that they repopped about a year ago, he says that this is somewhere close to 1/32nd, about it. He didn't even say that this is exact. So I guess the scales are hard to come up with an exact figure, but there's a lot of math involved and stuff. But all in all, this is a decent kit, and it's still worth the price you pay for it. So so that's going to do it for now. I'm starting to mask off my the floor of my cockpit. I'm going to paint the underside clear red, and then I'll be doing the top. I'll be doing flat black, and then whatever my interior color gray I'm going to use. But I'm starting to fill all the little indentations, the grooves and everything. And what I'm using is dollar store. I picked up at Dollar General. It's just plain old school glue, white school glue. but it's a lot thinner than Elmer's glue, so it kind of flows into those grooves pretty good. Then I just take a damp paper towel and wipe off the excess and everything, and then once I'm done painting it, all I gotta do is take the tip of a pin and pop those areas out and stuff like that. But you can see how it's I got it all filled in for my painting and stuff. They're probably less, I know they look big on the camera, but they're probably less than 30-second wide on those grooves, so it's going to be hard to mask them with tape. I don't think there's going to be any paint masks for this, because there ain't really paint masks necessary, and I don't think they're making any kind of photo etch for this either. So that's what I got going on. Once I get those grooves filled and make sure I'm not going to have no no problems with them, then I'll glue my seat and my control, the control panel, the console or whatever that is that sits in front of them with the steering arms and stuff like that. I'll glue all that so I can paint it all as one unit, because clear is hard to get the paint to take, completely cover and stuff. It takes several coats to work on it and stuff. I might even try to scuff up the surface. Maybe the paint will adhere better, but I'm sure all you guys know clear when you try to paint it, even with primer, it likes almost orange peel, where you get some blank spots with the paint and stuff. You know what I'm talking about and stuff. So anyway, that's what I got going on this time around. So I'm not being in too big a rush on this stuff like that. Well, I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday. I had to pick up some paint supplies. Since my last bottle build a while back, prices went up something drastic, because I still use the testers, dull coat and gloss. Excuse me. I needed some flat black. I don't like the Rust-Oleum flat black on styrene on plastic models. It doesn't seem like it's a true flat black, so I like the testers flat black in the spray can. But the deal with Hobby Lobby, they used to have a full aisle, both sides, with all model supplies. One whole side of the aisle was all model kits. About a third of the aisle on one side now is model kits and paints and your glues and stuff like that. They really cut back. It's almost like eventually they're going to just phase out the model section or something. The other side of the aisle is got coin collectors, the little booklets that you put coins in, model railroad stuff, even model railroad stuff, all the different turf texture, the different textures of turf and the different colors. They cut back on that. The little tree kits that you could buy to make different type trees and stuff like that. They cut back on a lot of that. The ballast, all that stuff. It's like, man, it's like they're doing away with the stuff that we enjoy and all that. But anyway, I just didn't want to wait. If I would have ordered something, it would have been about a week and a half before I would have got it. So I figured, well, best bet I'll run the Hobby Lobby. Prices are pretty much the same. The little testers rattle cans, they're the same online where I order stuff from as they were at the Hobby Lobby. So, I saved on shipping. What I saved on shipping, I spent less in gas and everything to travel, and I was glad I took it right. Even model kits, man. It's like, compared to what they used to have, maybe 50, 60 different model kits, they got maybe 20, 30 different models now and stuff like that, and it's like, boom. Not too many model cars, and I know there's a lot of guys that build model semi-trucks and stuff. They only got, I think, like 2 different choices, and it's a shame what's going on and stuff. So, but anyway, that's what I got going on. So I want to thank everybody for following along. Hope the videos are useful to you guys and all that. If you got any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment. You can also contact me on my email. I leave it in my descriptions on all my videos. So till the next, thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers and all that. And thanks for the great comments you guys will leave. Till the next time, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.